Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Relive. You click on settings. In this page you click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you're scrolling down until you find this window of Relive. Here in this page of app info you click on first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, we will go to Play Store. We will search about your life. Here you can uninstall your app and you will uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your